Good luck.
Thank you.
Hey, California, we're at the LAX airport. We are right here at In-N-Out Burger, and we are at the airport right by the runway. There's a big plane coming in. Look at all these kids there on the Welcome to LAX sign. And here it comes, baby! Look how close, look how huge! Woo! Man, was that epic or what? Have y'all ever seen anything like that?
It's smoking.
It is, looks like it's smoking. Those are little... All right, Joe.
Margarita? You should have got this guy.
I want the beer.
Really? Look at Uncle Brian. The doors go. Look, they got all the lights on like at night. They just leave. Ooh, iPhone 10, baby. A what?
Stegosaurus.
What is a Stegosaurus? Like a little kid in the candy store.
Can't you? I just hope that it gets.
Two sisters headed towards the Santa Monica Pier on a Family Feud weekend in Los Angeles. Woo woo! Over there, Joe! Woo! And the runner. Thinking.
Everything's good?
How's it going, Chloe?
Good.
How's it going there, Nicholas? How's it going, Seth? Tell me about your ride.
Good.
What you think so far?
Good.
Do you know where we are right now?
In California.
Yeah, we're in California. What you think about Venice Beach?
I love it. It's so neat and unusual.
Alabama In-N-Out.
And I never knew that.
Got, oh, look at this one. Oh!
It's a paradise. It's growing wild.
Growing sort of wild. Fresh hand. They got some sun. Sydney, and she's the coolest young lady
You wouldn't have had a
whole
British driver
tour,
with a good
aren't you?
sense of humor. That's what.
Yeah, 'cause she gets to sit next to
You wouldn't
James.
even have.
Hey, darling, we're in Beverly Hills.
Woo!
We're on tour bus in Beverly Hills.
We're on tour bus in Beverly Hills.
You like it?
I like it.
Are you staying
Coming
warm?
up on
If
your
I was warmer,
right,
I would
you have
like
this
it a lot
Roman-looking
more.
house.
Kind of chilly.
That's
How's y'all day going to Hollywood?
Like Hollywood stars, baby. Hollywood.
That was the Walk of Fame. Boy, show me what you got. What do you got back there? Oh, you got the money. Who got that for you? Spoiling him rotten. You have found it.
All right, love, one more.
Sydney's flying. We're here, made it! Woo! Family Feud, here we come!
Hello, Los Angeles. Greetings from Fairhope, Alabama.
All right, it's tape day. Tape day. We gotta get our jumps on.
Yeah, get our jumps on. Oh, we got some competition over here. Here's our competition.
Oh, you are? She says, okay. I'll take you guys, that's fine. I'm with the Brave.
That's nice.
Through all kind of like cruising in between all these studios.
Greetings from Fairhope, Alabama.
Everybody got some money. Lauren. Hey, all right. And she's here. Welcome, baby. Welcome. Welcome. Hey, Bobby. Have a good one, man. Good luck. Mike with the beers. There you go, Patty. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, baby. Cheers. To the audience. Hey, everybody. We're at the Garland in North
Dorgan Brothers at the Garland.
Yeah.
Dorgan Brothers in the house.
Comes to LA.
And we got to meet Steve Harvey this
LA.
morning. Cheers to Family Feud. Thank you, Family Feud. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thanks for having us.
Oh, y'all go ahead. Look at what y'all got. Got some good stuff. Y'all at the Garland? Are y'all excited? And then we got Joseph Milam, Valve Salesman of the Year.
Rock and roll.
Noah, who met every single YouTuber on the West Coast this weekend. And he wants more. My beautiful bride, Lauren Dorgan, from Fairhope, Alabama, the court reporter extraordinaire. 250 words a minute. Our team leader, Lindsay Milam, that got us here. If it weren't for Lindsay, we would not be here right now.
Right.
We met
And
Steve Harvey
Sydney, the sweetest little girl of all. Hey, Nicholas, what do you think of this place? Look at this atrium. Holy cow. Is that amazing or what? As you pass through the atrium, all of a sudden you walk down a hallway, and look, Nicholas, what is that up in the air up there?
Hold on, let's get a picture.
Nicholas, what is that?
So we can see some YouTubers.
All right, Noah's all excited about the Faye's house.
Billy's here.
Look how pretty these flowers are.
Knock on the door for once.
Come on, Noah, let's go down.
He's a big fan too, and I was just with him in Sacramento the other day. He's like, oh, can I come?
Hey, what's that bumper sticker on the back? What's that
It
mean?
says about.
Oh, okay, cool. All right, guys. What is that up there?
Highlight sign.
The Hollywood sign. Have you ever seen that before?
Yeah.
First time ever?
Yeah, I saw it when we were going.
That's right.
Are you guys big Brady fans?
Major Brady
We love the
fans.
Brady.
Pork chops and applesauce.
Lauren and I are sisters, and when we were growing up, we had a competition every single day. We would turn on the Brady Bunch, and the first one who guessed which episode it was won for the day.
Awesome.
These two sisters love the Brady Bunch so much that as we turned into the neighborhood and drove here, they started singing the Brady Bunch song spontaneously, every word.
Now, out of the ladies here, which one can say Marsha, Marsha, Marsha?
Marsha, Marsha.
He's asking a question.
Wow.
This kid right here.
Millie, what do you think so far?
Crazy, the difference between like Hollywood Boulevard and Pier.
Yeah? Miss Patty, what do you think?
Awesome.
Loving it? Look at those flowers. These flowers are incredible. I feel like we're in Fairhope. Oh, look at those shoes, Noah.
How to get to the
Glass.
Don't break it now. Don't pull a hole on it. It's a nice snake. Oh! Again. Cheers. Cheers to a wonderful stay in California. Thank you, Family Feud. We had an amazing time. This is incredible. Thank you, Donna, for babysitting the children.
Welcome.
Thank you, Bro Brian, for coming out and doing all this. Thank you, Lindsay, for the idea. Thank you, Lauren,
For being awesome.
because you're just awesome. Show me those earrings.
Thank you, Donna.
Ooh. Thank you, children, for coming out.
This was just like a totally different trip than what we usually do.
This is totally different trip.
We do beachy.
Beach or Panama
Islands.
City or islands or cruise.
Country is.
Yeah. This has been totally different from what our usual mojo is, and this has been awesome.
Yeah.
Different is good sometimes. This is cool. And we're grateful. We're so happy.